Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to check how we can get free points for the GRVT Airdrop. This is an amazing opportunity if you are doing this airdrop, and like always I'm going to tell you exactly what I mean by this and how you can do it step by step. So guys, this is the deal. The GRVT company has been contacting us, Cryptocurrency State, because they saw some of the coverage that we did and they offer me points for my community. That's right, so they contact us, and of course I was surprised about that because this is a big company, but that is what happened. They basically saw our videos, they contact us, and of course I say yes because I'm super grateful that they try to give something to the community. So we have 7,500 points for the airdrop, which is a lot guys, to distribute it in this community. I'm going to tell you exactly how that can happen and how you can participate on those free points. So first of all, remember GRVT is going to be a safe self-custodial CX that is going to be running on ZkSync. You can see almost 500,000 followers on Twitter, so has been growing a lot the community. They are in the beta testnet, we covered that already. This video was launched on August 19, but it's still valid. And you have another videos of GRVT that we covered in the past, so check the last two at least so you can participate on this airdrop. Very soon they are going to be launching mainnet. With that we will be using the product, and very soon we are going to have the TGA event expecting this airdrop. And also guys, I have a very important confirmation that the points that we get on the GRVT airdrop are actually for the tokens of reward. So that is also a confirmation that nobody has, and I'm going to show you in this video. And why I think this GRVT airdrop is going to be important? Well, the data says that the company behind GRVT is the same company creator of ZkSync. I know that many of you have been giving up to ZkSync, but if you're truly an airdrop hunter, you should not be emotionally attached with everything that happens. And sometimes you win some airdrops and you also lose some opportunities. So that is why I'm still doing this airdrop, and this CX will run in ZkSync and of course will be the biggest of that ecosystem. Imagine if you have a blockchain and you are also launching exchange. Of course you are going to prioritize your own exchange over anything else that launch in the market. And if you didn't know, ZkSync had almost $500 million rise until 2022. So you can imagine the amount of money behind this project, and you can confirm that quickly going just to crypto rank, and you can see the total raise was 458 million. So Matter Labs, the company behind ZkSync and GRVT, are loaded. And again, I know what you're thinking. This airdrop is going to be only for the VCs and all that, but you need to take your part of the pie. You cannot just think, because of course VCs are going to make much more money than you, but in this big game of airdrop you still need to go and get your slice of the pie. That of course is going to be smaller than a VC, and of course they are going to be making a lot of money, but that is not the point here. So forget everything about the disappointment with ZkSync and focus on this airdrop and the free points that we are going to get here that you can participate, like you are going to see. So how you can participate to get these points is super easy. You need to register to GRVT using our referral. So this is a referral code, or you can go directly to this link. The second point is that you need to do KYC. And I know again, the security and the anonymous of crypto, that doesn't happen in any of the CX. CX is going to always, like Binance or eventually with many others, ask you to do KYC. This is all about regulatory stuff on every country. So yeah, if you don't want these free tokens, you don't want to do KYC, this is not for you. But in this particular case, I see this point that the people that do KYC are actually going to be farming more this airdrop than many others, because I really know that not many people are willing to do KYC on exchange. So that put us airdrop hunters that we are going to do it in a best position of this airdrop, and it's going to be less farmed than many of the others. Imagine if ZkSync airdrop would require KYC. Not many of the scams and people that farm that airdrop, it will be allowed that time. So here with KYC, you are sure that you are not going to be farmed by bots or big companies that put money on it. So again, for me, this is still a very good and valid opportunity for an airdrop. And the point 3 is that you need to complete a form that I'm going to show you. This is an official form from GRVT team that created for this giveaway. Another point that I wanted to comment here is that when they contact me, I didn't want to use a referral link. I just wanted to give the tokens to the community. but the refer link is the only way that they have to identify the users that are going to participate with my community. So that is why the only chance to get these points if you use my refer link. But the good news is that I could fight for the fact that if you have been already using my refer link, you are already participating on this giveaway of the points. So if you are new into the channel, or if you are the first time doing GRVT, just go use the link, use my referral, and you are participating on this airdrop. But again, if you already have been using my link for referral for GRVT, then you are clear, you are going to be able to get this point. Of course, you need to do KYC and you need to complete this form. So how is this free points work? This is the form that they created. Remember, you need to use this link, and this is only for cryptocurrency channel. And they are giving away 7.5k points for the ecosystem. So the rules are very easy. To be eligible, you need to complete the KYC in the GRVT account, and only those tagged under the referral code of cryptocurrency state will be entered into the draw. So if you already have an account on GRVT that you already did KYC and you didn't use my link, there's no point to participate here and complete this form, because they are going to tag you always based on my referral link. So if you are already registered using my link, then you can complete the form and you are clear for this giveaway. And if you are new, just create your account using this referral link and you are participating. Here is clear on the rules that users who register on GRVT using my code as a referral code before this promotion was announced also are eligible to participate on the giveaway. This promotion will run for the entire month of September, so you still have half a month on September to participate, and it's going to run until the end of September to complete KYC and fill out the form. Any submissions made in October will not be valid, so remember that if you are seeing this video in October, you are already late, I'm sorry. GRVT will select the winner through a random draw using randomizer. The rewards will be distributed in October. I was told that this is going to happen during the first 2 weeks of October. So if you are participating, then in the first 2 weeks, if you are one of the winners, you are going to receive the points directly into your account. And the prices are as follows. 7,500 GRVT ecosystem points. There is going to be one winner with 1,000 GRVT points. And guys, 1,000 points is a lot, I'm not even there with some of the referrals of the channel. I am not even in that number. Then we are going to have 2 winners with 500 points, which still is a lot. And then we are going to have 22 users with 250 points, which is a lot at the point of recording this video, since we still cannot generate points for the trading that we are going to do in mainnet. So again, this is a total of 7,500 GRVT ecosystem points, which is a big amount. And one point that I want to comment here is that they create, of course, this form. This is officially a form that they created from GRVT, and you can see that GRVT ecosystem points will be exchangeable for GRVT tokens after the TG event. So this is the first time that I see this announcement in anything that is official from GRVT. So at this point at cryptocurrency state, we can confirm that these points are going to be tradable for tokens of the protocol. We don't know in which ratio, that will depend a lot of the tokenomics and another stuff that are not public yet, but we have confirmation that these points are going to be tokens, guys. And I know that we're supposing that, but the fact that we have a written confirmation here on this form, for me, is a very good point. So the only things that you need to put here is your email. Remember, your email should be the same one that you use it for your KYC. That is super important again. And you can put any questions or comments if you want. That is not necessary. The only thing that you need to do is put your email and submit the form. So after you do that, you are ready participating on this. Just to recap very quickly, this is going to happen for the rest of September, where you can participate, and the points are going to be distributed over the first 2 weeks of October. One winner with a K point, 2 winners with 500 points, 22 winners with 250 points. So a total of 25 users from my community that using my referral are going to be eligible of this point. And guys, I don't have too many people using my link from the videos that I cover, so if you are using it, you have a big chance to get one of these points, which I think is great. That is the way that you can get these free points. Again, I wanted to use another system, not my referral, but this is the only way that they can track that you are part of my community. So just go create the account on GRVT, do the KYC and complete the form, and you are ready. And finally guys, I want to give you another important data point why this exchange is going to be big. GRVT has received 3.3 billion monthly volume commitment. And what is this? This is an official announcement on September 9 that the significant contractual volume commitment from the 16 market makers comes shortly ahead of GRVT's mainnet launch in the fourth quarter of 2024. So the hybrid crypto exchange received 3.3 billion monthly trading volume agreement from popular market makers such as Galaxy Trading Asia, DB Chain, CMS, and others who committed to deliver the trading volume on a monthly basis. The achievement can partly be attributed to GRVT's hybrid technological stack, according to Hong Ye, the co-founder and CEO of GRVT. And here is a quote from the CEO: to really combine the best of CeFi and DeFi, to build an ultimate trading experience for users, the solution is to leverage blockchain for settlement and keep trading infrastructure or the order book of chain. So yeah, you can see it here. GRVT already partnered with 16 leading market makers with a volume of 3.3 billion guys, and all this information, this token can really be launched and be in the top 100 positions on the crypto market. So again, I still think that this is a great opportunity, and this is the first time that the project that I cover actually contact us and give us points or any rewards to the community. So I have to say that I'm really grateful that they approached cryptocurrency state and offered this point. I think they speak very well about them, that they really want to give points and the airdrop to communities and not to bot. So that is all for this video, how you can get free points for the GRVT airdrop. Remember that if you want to have alpha information about everything, you can go and join to my private Discord. The subscriptions are really cheap, and if you want, in top of my Discord, you can add my airdrop application. This is a way to register and do all these airdrops that I cover on YouTube and some that are not covered in YouTube in my application. If you want to know how this app works, here you can have a video on the version 2.0 that I launched a couple of months ago, that I launched in July, so you don't have any doubts on how my application will help you. That is all guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and don't forget to check this video that is appearing right now. This is a very important information about beta chain and what I will be focusing on the testnet right now based on this leak information that is sharing in the video. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.